Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to activate Google Phone Caller ID announcement on Android. If you want to activate Google Phone Caller ID announcement, so let's see how can you do this. First, let me tell you that Google Phone Caller ID announcement is a feature of Google for Android phones, but it is still beta version, so we can't use this. But if you want to use caller ID, so we have to install a third-party app for this. You just have to open Play Store app and here go for search bar and search for Icon app. Just search for it and then you will get this app. You just have to install this app. Here you can see there are 4.6 reviews and here 100 million plus downloads, so it will be best for your phone. You just have to install it, and after that you will activate Google Phone Caller ID announcement on Android successfully. So that's how you can easily activate Google Phone Caller ID announcement on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.